Welcome back to the Neuro Symbolic Channel. I'm Paulo Shakarian, professor at Syracuse University. Thank you again for tuning in. So today, going to talk about something a little bit different. We are rolling out a series of new AI programs here at Syracuse University. And of course, they actually go through various levels of approval. And recently we had a new AI minor approved that is called artificial intelligence, science, and engineering. And this minor is designed to give people with a STEM or engineering background, what their maybe primary major is, a series of courses that will uh, introduce them to the fundamentals of artificial intelligence and machine learning, to include things like generative AI, neural networks, agentic-based coding. And so it's a 6 course sequence and it's a minor, so for undergraduates. And we're going to talk a little today about what that entails. Okay, so here is a summary of the program. So there are 6 courses. The It starts out with course for or a set of 2 courses for programming, and we have the first one. It is what's called ASE, that's the course code for AI Science Engineering 110, which is Introduction to Programming for AI. We're also allowing credit for kind of our standard intro to programming courses that computer scientists may take. And the idea here, though, with ASE 110, which is why we're developing the special course, is we want to focus initial programming skills geared toward the use of AI tools. So getting used to things like, understanding PyTorch and NumPy and API access to large language models. We want to get you ready to take off running in this first course. And then it's followed with the second course, which is a second programming course. And the idea here is we want you to be well steeped in the fundamentals of programming, because in later courses in this program, we're going to talk about agentic coding. And we think it's really important that you have a firm base in understanding programming before you start to get into the more agentic stuff. And then the third course is a math requirement. And so core mathematics for AI, this is a combination of linear algebra and discrete math in the same course, just giving you enough pieces of that so you can do well in the follow-on rigorous AI courses. And of course here, if you're in something else that has some significant linear algebra, discrete math, we allow you to meet the requirement using that. So students in engineering who have like linear algebra or differential equations for engineers, they can get a pass on the math requirement. So that's kind of the groundwork. That's what we call the core computing coursework of the minor. And then we build on it. So ASE 309 is a new course, and this is the technical fundamentals of AI. And so here we look at basic principles of supervised machine learning, some basic neural network stuff, and a few concepts and things like logic and probabilistic reasoning, as well as base understanding of generative AI. And so this is just designed to get you dangerous with what is current in the field and understand the strengths and limitations of these various approaches. And then ASE 310 is programming with AI, and this is the agentic coding course. So here we have another programming class, but now we're teaching you how to program with an AI agent. So of course you can do this out of the box, but we want to avoid things like creating technical debt. We want to be able to test our code well and make sure it's meeting specifications. We want to make sure that we're prompting the LM properly to do things like documentation correctly. So all these extra concerns that, again, build on the standard programming courses that we offer, we're revisiting here, but in the agentic case. And this is, I think, really the course that's going to make people into 10x programmers right out of a undergraduate program. I think this is kind of the course that is being proactively responsive to what the industry wants for people who know how to use AI properly to make code. I've heard a lot of stories the last 12 months, good and bad, about using AI for coding. I've heard stories about a startup that created massive technical debt and is likely to fail because they missed a product rollout due to improper use of coding agents because the fundamental things about coding they weren't doing right and they weren't using the agent in the right way. And so we think that on the flip side, there's people who have kind of a base knowledge of programming and they're learning how to use these agentic tools and they're knocking it out of the park. They are the ones who are super productive and are really leveraging these tools to the maximum extent possible. And then finally, kind of the capstone course in this sequence is ASE 465, which is Introduction to Machine Learning. And here's where you're going to get deep into the different neural architectures, particularly transformer architecture, encoder decoder paradigm, and all that good stuff in neural networks. And that's really why we have the linear algebra requirement ahead of time because you kind of need that to do well in this. That uses PyTorch extensively and has programming exercises, really solid intro to machine learning course. So anyway, that about wraps it up. This AI minor is available to students starting in the fall of 2026. So if you're already enrolled at Syracuse, you can add on this minor. You can add it on to a computer science major if you're looking to, get really into the field of AI. But you can also add it on as a major in other technical STEM and engineering disciplines. I would even say that if you're willing to take all 6 courses, because really people in STEM, engineering, and computer science, several of these they'll have already taken. But if you're outside of that, and you have the space in your schedule to take 6 courses, and you have kind of an inclination toward coding, maybe you did really well at coding in high school, and you have maybe you're strong in math, even though that's not what you chose to do. This might be a good thing to investigate. I've talked with faculty in departments like sports analytics and in the Maxwell School. And they think that there could be a lot of interested students to take this minor. So if you are at Syracuse, feel free to reach out. Happy to answer any questions on this minor and point you in the right direction to get signed up if that's what you want to do. And likewise, if you're a rising uh, uh, undergraduate, whether you're transferring or you're coming right out of high school and you're looking for a place that has a, growing focus on AI, we think that, this is a really key part in it for technical education. So thanks again for tuning in to the Neuro Symbolic Channel. I'm Paulo Shakarian. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day.